Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you 5 incredible CMD tricks that every PC user should know. These tricks will not only save you time, but also make you feel like a tech pro. So, let's jump right in. First things first, let's open Command Prompt CMD. You can do this by pressing Windows plus R, then type CMD and hit Enter. Alternatively, you can search CMD directly from the Start menu and select Run as administrator for full access. First up, let's check if your internet connection is stable. Just type ping google.com-t. This command continuously pings Google's servers and shows if you're facing packet loss or unstable connections. Press Ctrl plus C to stop it. Next, let's view all Wi-Fi networks your computer has connected to. Type net shutdown show profiles. This will display a list of all saved Wi-Fi profiles. Super handy if you need to troubleshoot or remember an old connection. Want a quick overview of your PC specs? Just type System Info. You'll see details like your OS version, system boot time, and installed updates. Need to shut down your PC after an hour automatically? Use this, Shutdown-SL-T3600. The number is in seconds, so adjust it as you need. To cancel, just type Shutdown-A. Finally, you can view a list of all installed programs on your computer with WMIC product get name. This is great for keeping track of your software or uninstalling unwanted apps. And there you have it, 5 powerful CMD tricks to level up your tech skills. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Drop a comment below and let me know which trick was your favorite. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more tech tips, drop your favorite CMD trick below.